How does your production sound like? Does it sound like this? Or this? Your machine was born to produce. Let's keep it that way. Whether you work in the pulp and fiber or paper, board, and tissue industries, we offer you a full scope of products and services to increase your roll performance and keep your equipment up and running. Valmet's modular maintenance solutions consist of maintenance, reconditioning, and upgrade services. With these modules, we can easily build a solution that saves your time and money. Based on Valmet's industrial internet, the Intelligent Roll Solutions offer online measuring tools and improvements for better efficiency, quality, and performance. With condition-based maintenance, your equipment is maintained based on its actual condition and real need. You can enjoy the benefits and save costs. Valmet provides you with a unique combination of technology and people close to you wherever you are. Our global network of roll service centers is available for you in over 30 locations around the world. You can also find Valmet's process industry professionals in over 120 locations worldwide, locally and remotely. The best way to benefit from our expertise and know-how is to get them as a part of your team through a service agreement. Join us on a shared journey forward. And let the good times roll into your production.